Hi, this is Diane and Sean. We're continuing our series of the construction of a home, McKee Homes at 78 North in Sanford. All right, Sean, we're in the framed and wrapped stage. We're going to go inside. And voila, framed. And that's a telltale indicator of what stage we're in. It's framed, and the next part, after all these walls are in, Sean, tell us what's happening next.
So we just finished the framing. We got the windows installed, the shingles installed on the outside. Our next stage is rough ends, where the plumbers come in and start running all their water lines, their plumbing pipes, and install the tubs, showers, that stuff. And then your heat and air company will come and run the ductwork, install the gas lines. Well, out here it's not gas, it's all electric. And then the electrician come out here and run all their wiring, install their electrical boxes, stuff like that.
Wonderful. So there's the primary bedroom. You can see the tray ceiling cut in. And the primary bath, where that will go here. The bench already built in. The plumbing you see, we saw it in the foundation. Now it's all measured off. Separate water closet back here. Okay. Laundry room from there. And this is the kitchen island. It's all measured off, what's going in where. Got walk-in pantry, refrigerator hose. So that wire has gotten more separated. And here's the plans where we're building, right here. Tucker Coastal, and all the interior inclusions. And the roof, here we have the roof trusses. These are all engineered in the factory, so it's better and come engineered. And that's a better system, right?
Yeah.
There we go.